Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Skibidi Toilet and Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. So let's hop in. It's going to be super simple. Stay till the very end. Let's do it. Okay, let's go over and draw the mixture of Skibidi Toilet and Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. All right, let's get started. Gonna go right here and start with the head of Freddy. Curve right here for the left side of the head. And then out here for the cheek. Alright, so far so good. Gonna go over here, curve right there, draw his hat. That's the outer rim of his hat. Up, up. Line across for kind of the rest of that brim of that hat. Up over here, up over here. Curve right there. Kind of like a circle right there for the top of that top hat. Line over here. Curve out, down, in. Over here now, curve out, down, in right there for the ears. Like we got going for Freddy. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way. If you like this mixture idea, give me your own mixture idea in the comments, and I will probably, most likely, make it happen. So let me know in the comments section. Gonna go over here, out over here for the kind of back of the head. He's gonna be looking a little bit that way, just a bit. All right. Gonna go over here now for the nose. Line out, down, curve around. Outward, down. Downward here, in. Kind of for that snout part of Freddy's face. Freddy Fazbear here. Down over here, curve inward. Gonna go over here. Down. All right. So far, so good. And we're going to draw another curve right here for that part of his face. Going to go downward now. Teeth. One tooth. Square tooth. Another 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 one over here. Curve up. Out. Down. Over here, down. All right, so far so good, right? Stay with me. You know, we're gonna fill this in, this part of the jaw right there, because it's kind of like made up of two parts, right? He's an animatronic. So go over here to the middle portion of the bow. Out over here, down, curve in for that one side of the bow. Out over here, down. Bow on this side, and then I'm going to continue to curve along this. Alright, so far so good. Line over here for the top of the eye. Line over here for the top of the eye. U-shape. U-shape. Over here now, circle for around the eye. It's got like a, what do you call it? It's like there's a hole around the eye pretty much. Over here now as well. Curve, 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 curve for kind of the iris and the pupil there and some highlights. Now we're going to fill in that outer bag of the eye because he's an animatronic and he's basically a bunch of electricity underneath. Right? He's like an animatronic, a bunch of wires and circuits, and that's kind of what it is. This is like an upper layer. Out, down, down over here, repeated shape. And we can do this, we can go over here, and then fill it in. Fill it in. dot, 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 dot. All right. Now, let's draw the toilet portion of it. Line over here. Line over here. Down. Curve across. Up. That top part of the bowl. Curve right here for the actual bowl. Down. Across. And connect that line over here. So that lower portion of the bowl right there. Curve. Curve for the back. And another curve right here, curve right here for the, hole of the bowl there. We're going to fill this in. I'm going to fill this in as well. Okay. Now we're going to draw the back of the seat. Up over here. Over here on this side. Down. Curve down for that bowl. Right, line over here to kind of even it out there a little bit. For that seat, circle, 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 circle for the toilet bowl. The seat. We're gonna hit that area, and then we're gonna go over here on this area, out, up, out over here, up, across, for kind of the back of that toilet, and then probably like a notch right there for the actual, the thing you flush it with. And there you go. That's Freddy Fazbear mixed with Skibidi Toilet. What I want you to do is I want you to stick around and do another video with me, okay? It's going to help you out immensely. Let's get going. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.